Hey everyone and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to download FiveM on PC, Xbox Game Pass. So this is going to be a step-by-step guide. So first of all, you need to head over to official FiveM platform. You can head over to fivem.com or fivem.net specifically onto this platform, and here you will be able to see this is basically how its landing page look. You have the downloading client option. So if you want to get FiveM on PC, Xbox Game Pass, this is going to be it. You can see we have different system requirements. So the one thing that you are going to be making sure that you have a minimum of Intel Core Duo 6 Q6600, 2.4 gigahertz of processor, and also a GPU which is going to be about 1 GB of memory, and RAM is going to be 8 GBs, and hard disk space of around 120 GBs. Now, once you do have all of these specific requirements or system requirements, then you can download this client option and your FiveM is going to be downloaded. So this is how simple it is to get, and thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.